Hi all, in this video we will look at how to set working directories in R and how to basically get your current location of the working directory. So it's very simple. So if I have to basically look at what is my current working directory, so I can basically do a get working directory. WD is for working directory and get is for getting that location. So if I do that, it basically points me to a Dell folder. Now let's say if I want to change my working directory based on what are the folder structures within the Dell main folder. So if I just do a list.files, I will basically get a number of folders and files within the Dell folder. So I want to make my current working directory as documents. So how can I do that? Using set working directory. If I do that, and if I now do a get working directory, my working directory will be changed from Dell to documents. Now let's say within documents, based on the folder structure present, I want to again change my working directory. So I can see that there are a number of files and folders present, and there is one such folder named as Parag. So if I want to set it as a working directory, I can just do a set working directory, and if I have to check if that is set properly, I will just do a get working directory and see my path is now pointing to Parag. So this is as far as going within that folder structure within the main working directory. Now let's say within a working directory I have to go one level up, meaning from Parag I want to go to documents, and then from documents I want to go to Dell. So what will I do? My current working directory is Parag. I want to I want to point the working directory to documents. So I can do that using this simple function or this simple function call. So if I now check the directory using get working directory, now it is pointing to the documents. Let's say I now from documents I want to go to Dell. I will again execute this, and now it is pointing to Dell. So this is as far as moving from one folder structure to another when all of the folders are related. Let's say there is some other folder on my drive and I want to make it as my default working directory. So how can I do that? So let's say this is the folder structure to which I want to point my working directory to. So how will I do that? I will just copy the path, and then I will basically do this. Now if I want to do get the current working directory, see my working directory has now changed from Dell to this particular thing. So in this video we saw how we can move back and forth within linked folders, and how we can set them independently as working directories, how we can go one level up within a working directory, and let's say if there is a different folder structure that we want to point to, then we can similarly do that by copying the path and pasting it within the set working directory function.